Good morning, students. I hope so you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to start with the next poem. The poem's name is The Patriot, written by Robert Browning. Children, you know that whenever we do good deeds, they have been praised by everyone. Even it can be for your school, for your country, for your area around, surrounding you. But then if one misdeed is being done by you, your all good deeds, they become zero. Nobody likes you. They start hating you. They start abusing you. They don't want you near them. Same thing has happened to the patriot over here. He has done a year back a very good deed for his country, where people loved him. They welcomed him into their country. They were being carried on their shoulders for him. But by misfortune or by something, he has done something wrong. He has done a misdeed where people are ready to give him punishment. They are not ready to listen to him what he has done good for them. They want him to, the deed which he has done, which they are not liking it. They forgot his good deeds and they are not ready to forgive him. So the poet over here, Robert Browning, he has written this poem in a monologue. Monologue means a speech given by a person about some other person. He is expressing his feelings about the patriot, how he felt before and how he felt after that. The patriot over here, he is comparing the 2 days with it. A year back, when he was being welcomed by the people for his good deeds which he had done for the country, and now as he has done a misdeed, how the people, they are dragging him through the way, the same way where he had been brought up, where the way was being filled up with flowers for him, with mittens, and the church bell rang to give him a good welcome. But now it is the same way, the same path, but the things have changed. So accordingly, I'll read out the para and then stanzas, you can say, and we will go through the poem. It was roses, roses all the way, with myrtle mixed in my path like mad. The house roof seemed to heave and sway, the church spires flame. Such flags they had a year ago on this very day. Now, as the patriot, he is going through the way, he is remembering the day a year back which had happened with him. How the same path was being filled up with roses all the way to welcome him. And even the roses were mixed with the myrtle. Myrtle means a flower which has fragrance in it. It was being filled up and he was walking through that way. And all people are welcoming him. The house roofs. House roofs means the terrace, where the people have gathered over there to watch him. Even many times when we see that the procession is going on, we all hang out on our balconies near the gate to see what is going on. The same way the people over there, they are looking out from the windows, from the terrace roofs to see who's the person who has brought a good deed for their country. The church spires flame. The church spires means the spires are being hanged on the way of the church, and flags are being swaying over there. They are moving around. That is when a year ago. The air broke into a mist with bells. The old walls rocked with the crowds and cries. Had I said, good folk, men, noise, spare the pence, but give me your son from yonder skies, they had answered, and afterward, what else? Over here, now, the patriot, he is saying that the air broke into a mist with bells. That is, the air was mixed up with the voice of the bells. which were ringing for him. And the old walls was rock. That means the broken walls which are on the side of the roads. Even there, when no people used to stand over there, but today they are being filled up to watch him going. Had I said good folk mere noise repels. Now he can hear the voice of the people saying him good. And he is very much happy, and people are also very enthusiastic to look at him. They are happy to see him. But give me your son from yonder skies. Yonder skies means that is where the people are having a celebration for him. They are very happy for him. And they are going on want him to answer their questions. They all want to wish him. They all want to come forward and hug him. That what good he has done for them. They want to shake their hands with him. And even they are applauding him. They are clapping for him. And they are very happy to see him. And even whatever request he will do for him, do for them, or tell them to do, they are very much eager to go and do for them. Even if he says today that he wants a son, they will go to get that son for him. That means so much people were attracted to him. They were so happy for him. Alack, it was I who leaped at the sun, to give it my loving friends to keep. Not man could do, have I left undone. And you see my harvest, what I reap. This very day, now a year is run. Now over here, even the patriot, he is saying that the impossible thing I had done for them, which was not possible. They couldn't have, nobody could have done that thing which the patriot had done for them. But what reward had he got? What did he get for that? He is mourning for the deed he had done. He is sad that what I have done for them a year now at present, that they are not liking him. Now again he has come to his present. Before he was talking about his past, that how the roads and all, how the ways were being filled up with roses. Now he has come to his present, and he is saying that for his misdeeds that I have done. Now the thing what he had done, that means the harvest I reap means the things what I had done, the good deeds which I had done, they all have forgotten that. They don't want to remember what he had done. He had shown glory, power and honor for them. He is telling that at present. But now nobody is listening to them. So today we are going to complete our 3 stanzas, and then in the next class we will do the other 3. And if any other query you have, children, you can ask me about it. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay healthy. Thank you.